The white tiger or bleached tiger is a leucistic pigmentation variant of the Bengal tigers. Siberian tiger and man-made hybrids between the two, which is reported in the wild from time to time in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha in the Sundarbans region and especially in the former state of Rewa. Such a tiger has the black stripes typical of the Bengal tiger, but carries a white or near white coat. The white Bengal tigers are distinctive due to the color of their fur. The white fur caused by a lack of the pigment pheomelanin, which is found in Bengal tigers with orange color fur. When compared to Bengal tigers, the white Bengal tigers tend to grow faster and heavier than the orange Bengal tiger. They also tend to be somewhat bigger at birth, and as fully grown adults. White Bengal tigers are fully grown when they are 2 to 3 years of age. White male tigers reach weights of 200 to 230 kilograms and can grow up to 3 meters in length. As with all tigers, the white Bengal tiger's stripes are like fingerprints, with no two tigers having the same pattern. The stripes of the tiger are a pigmentation of the skin. If an individual were to be shaved, its distinctive coat pattern would still be visible. For a white Bengal tiger to be born, both parents must carry the unusual gene for white coloring, which only happens naturally about once in 10,000 births. Dark striped white individuals are well documented in the Bengal tiger subspecies as well as having been reported historically in several other subspecies. Currently, several hundred white tigers are in captivity worldwide, with about 100 being found in India. Their unique white color fur has made them popular in entertainment showcasing exotic animals and at zoos. An additional genetic condition can result in near complete absence of stripes, making the tiger almost pure white. One such specimen was exhibited at Exeter Change in England in 1820, and described by Georges Cuvier as a white variety of tiger is sometimes seen, with the stripes very opaque, and not to be observed except in certain angles of light. Naturalist Richard Lydekker said that a white tiger, in which the fur was of a creamy tint, with the usual stripes faintly visible in certain parts, was exhibited at the Old Menagerie at Exeter Change about the year 1820. Hamilton Smith said, a wholly white tiger, with the stripe pattern visible only under reflected light, like the pattern of a white tabby cat, was exhibited in the Exeter Change Menagerie in 1820. And John George Wood stated that a creamy white, with the ordinary tigerine stripes so faintly marked that they were only visible in certain lights. Edwin Henry Landseer also drew this tigress in 1824. The modern strain of snow white tigers came from repeated brother-sister matings of Bhim and Sumita at Cincinnati Zoo. The gene involved may have come from a Siberian tiger. Their part Siberian ancestor Tony, continued inbreeding appears to have caused a recessive gene for stripelessness to show up. About 1/4 of Bhim and Sumita's offspring were stripeless. Their striped white offspring, which have been sold to zoos around the world, may also carry the stripeless gene. Because Tony's genome is present in many white tiger pedigrees, the gene may also be present in other captive white tigers. As a result, stripeless white tigers have appeared in zoos as far afield as the Czech Republic, as well as a stripeless Siberian tiger called Apollo. In 2004, a blue-eyed, stripeless white tiger was born in a wildlife refuge in Alicante, Spain. Its parents are normal orange Bengals. The cub was named Artico. A white tiger's pale coloration is due to the lack of the red and yellow pheomelanin pigments that normally produce the orange coloration. This had long been attributed to a mutation in the gene for the tyrosinase, while a less severe mutation in the same gene in other mammals results in selective loss of pheomelanin. The so-called chinchilla trait, the white phenotype in tigers, had been attributed to such a chinchilla mutation in tyrosinase, and in the past white tigers were sometimes referred to as partial albinos, while whole genome sequencing determined that such a TYR mutation is responsible for the white lion leucistic variant. A normal TYR gene was found in both white tigers and snow leopards. Instead, in white tigers, a naturally occurring point mutation in the SLC45A2 transport protein gene was found to underlie its pigmentation. The resultant single amino acid substitution introduces an alanine residue that protrudes into the transport protein's central passageway, apparently blocking it, and by a mechanism yet to be determined this prevents pheomelanin expression in the fur. Mutations in the same gene are known to result in cream coloration in horses and play a role in the paler skin of humans of European descent. This is a recessive trait, meaning that it is only seen in individ